Now, the first step in the business buying process is defining your investment criteria. If you want to be successful in buying a business, then this is the starting point. And this is the point where most people either completely miss or they don't put enough time in, and it ultimately ends up in wasted acquisitions or bad acquisitions. So with this step, we first want to get clear on what it is that you want. What are you looking for? But even more importantly, you have to get clear on what you don't want. A big part of focus is knowing not what to look at rather than what to look at. The worst businesses to buy are the ones that look too good to miss. What a great deal. How could I possibly pass this? It's a deal of a lifetime. They tend to be the worst businesses to buy. Not because they're not a good deal, but unless you have the relevant skills and experience to make the business work after you've bought it, these acquisitions usually end in tears. But by spending a little time up front, you can shape an investment criteria that keeps you on the right path as you begin to look at various acquisition opportunities.